The Assistant menu is a built-in Samsung accessibility feature that adds a floating shortcut button to your screen. It gives you quick access to essential functions like the home button, back button, recent apps, screenshots, screen lock, volume controls, and more. If you prefer easier one-handed navigation or want to reduce the use of physical buttons, here's how to enable it. Start by opening the Settings app on your Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see Accessibility, then tap to open it. This menu includes features that improve the overall usability of your device. Next, select Interaction and Dexterity from the list of accessibility options. On the following screen, tap Assistant menu. You'll find a switch at the top of the page. Tap the switch to turn the feature on. If a permission request appears, simply tap Allow to continue. This allows the Assistant menu to display over other apps and function correctly. Within a few seconds, a floating Assistant menu icon will appear on your screen. You can press and hold the icon to drag it anywhere along the edge of the display, making sure it doesn't block your content. Whenever you need quick access to phone controls, just tap the floating button to open the menu. You can also personalize the Assistant menu by selecting which shortcuts appear. Whether you want quick access to screenshots, notifications, volume controls, or screen rotation, you can arrange the menu to fit your daily needs. That's it. Enjoy your new accessibility shortcut, and thanks for watching.